In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a PDF online and create multiple PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. This is a super handy skill to have if you find yourself dealing with large PDF documents and needing them divided into more manageable parts. Maybe you want to share specific sections without sharing the entire document, or perhaps you're trying to organize your files better. Whatever your reason, splitting PDFs is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat open on your device, navigate to the homepage and locate the document you want to split. Once you've opened the document in question, you'll want to direct your attention to the All Tools tab at the top of the screen. There, within the array of tools that Acrobat offers, find and click on Organize Pages. This action opens up a very useful workspace that allows you to rearrange and manage the pages of your PDF document with just a few clicks. Rearranging pages during the process is optional but can be beneficial if you're aiming for specific sections in your split PDFs. Feel free to drag and drop pages in the order you want them to be. Now look at the top of the toolbar and click on Split. A panel will appear providing you with a few options on how you'd like to split your document. Here you have three choices. You can split the PDF by the number of pages, file size, or top level bookmarks. For today's example, we'll focus on splitting by the number of pages. Select the option for the number of pages, and specifically we're going to set this number to 1. This means that every single page in your original PDF is going to become its own separate document. This can be particularly useful if you want each page as an individual file. Once you've configured the settings to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Split. Adobe Acrobat will work its magic, and shortly afterward you'll receive a confirmation message on your screen letting you know that your file has been successfully divided. You can now navigate to the designated folder or directory on your computer to find your newly split PDF files. And that's it, just a few quick steps and you've successfully split your PDF into individual pages using Adobe Acrobat. This handy trick can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when dealing with complex documents. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing with your PDFs.